Yo guys, what's going on? Monday to 6 here, back with the 2004 Toyota Sequoia. And today we're going to be installing this wireless cell phone charger. We're going to be mounting it up on the dash, going to be replacing the old busted one that's up there. Alright guys, hope you enjoy. Let's see what we got in the back of the Sequoia here. We have our wireless charging cell phone holder that we will mount on the dash. I like to go hands-free. It is very convenient, so this will be a nice upgrade. A lot of reviews. My phone does have wireless charging, so this is compatible with it. This is the standard charging cable. It is kind of short, so I went ahead and bought an upgraded fiber weaved charging cable. Also bought a really nice cigarette lighter charger. It's an all metal body, has really good reviews on it. I've been using this super cheap one. It's been making an audible buzzing sound. I hate it. It's just cheap China stuff. And here we have our Easter eggs. Just wanted to go ahead and include these in the video. These are cup holder rubber inserts. They have the Toyota sombrero logo on them, along with the Toyota name in bright red. Just going to go ahead and insert these in the cup holder when I go ahead and do the upgrade for the wireless cell phone charger holder. Alright, let's get to it, guys. Alright, let's check out our current situation here in the Sequoia. So, the previous owner had the super cheap cell phone holder she probably got from the flea market. And it's been stuck on this dash ever since. I've been kind of scared to move it. I don't want to break the dash. I think she may have super glued it. Haven't really pulled on it. Well, we got it off. That was easy. Alright, let's go ahead and clean up that surface area. This is as good as it's going to get. Good thing I got a replacement to cover it. So let's go ahead and grab the replacement wireless cell phone charger holder and just put it over the top of this so it looks better. Here is the wireless cell phone charger holder. When you go ahead and peel this film off, it is super sticky, so just make sure you got it where you want it, and then adhere it to your dash. Got it stuck in place and looking good. Covers right where the old one went. Alright, let's go ahead and hook up the charging cable. I got the cord plugged in. I have my cell phone on there. I'm gonna go ahead and plug in our really awesome all aluminum body cigarette lighter right here. Got the cigarette lighter all powered on. Have the charging cable ran all the way up here. I'm gonna go ahead and put my phone in. There we go. Wireless charge is just as easy as that. I was going to go ahead and I was going to run my wire probably inside here, run it all the way down, and just clean it up so we don't have all these wires laying here. Okay, well, I'm getting ready to run those wires. Let's go ahead and put the Easter eggs in. There's one. There's two, looking good. I also got two more for the rear cup holders. Got the two for the back. Looking good. Alright, this is what I did here when I ran the charging cable. I just took the screw out here on this side, kind of pried out this bezel here. Just ran it down right here and came out the bottom to the cigarette lighter charger. It's good, nice and cleaned up. Alright, got my cell phone in the wireless cell phone charging holder. Gonna go ahead and put the key in ignition, put it on the on position, and we are charging. It's as easy as that. Looking good. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed. Monday to 6, out.